Brothers and sisters, we live in a world that never stops moving. Phones buzz, calendars overflow, to-do lists grow faster than our strength. We run faster and faster, yet somehow fall further behind. And inside us something happens: frustration, worry, anger, exhaustion. These are not small inconveniences. They are warning lights on the dashboard of the soul, telling us something is not right. Today's gospel offers us something radical, something countercultural, something we desperately need. A man covered with leprosy, not at the edge, but fully marked. Body broken, life isolated, hope worn thin. He sees Jesus, and he falls, face to the ground. Faith kneels before it speaks. Lord, if you will. Not demanding, not doubting power, only trusting the heart of God. If you will, you can make me clean. Jesus does something shocking. Before healing, touch. Before words, presence. The untouchable is touched. The unclean is not avoided. Compassion crosses boundaries. I do will it. Not reluctance, not delay. A clear yes. God's desire is restoration, and immediately the leprosy leaves. Healing is swift, but dignity returns first. Jesus tells him to go, show yourself, rejoin life, let healing be witnessed. And then something unexpected happens. The news spreads, crowds gather, needs multiply, demands grow, and Jesus withdraws to deserted places, to silence, to prayer. Power flows from communion, not applause. Jesus does not stay to bask in success. He does not hurry to the next miracle. He steps away. If the Son of God needed to withdraw to pray, how much more do we? We cannot give what we do not receive. We cannot pour out love if our hearts are empty. The leper needed Jesus fully present. And Jesus could be fully present because he was rooted in the Father. This is the rhythm of the gospel. Touch, heal, withdraw, pray. Today the word echoes in us. Where are we covered? By fear, by shame, by wounds others avoid. Where are we running without resting? Where are we serving without returning to the source? Jesus shows us the